Hey everybody, it's Brandon from Ventax's Chair back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a pixie cut on natural hair. So her hair is already short. I've cut her hair before, and usually she wears it kind of like a TWA, teeny weeny afro, or a tapered afro. So she'll have like it kind of shaved up on the sides, and she'll wear a curly on top. Just define her curls using whatever product. But today she decided she wanted it straight. I was a little, when she booked the appointment, I was like, did she relax her hair and not tell me? But no, she's still natural. So what I did prior to this, to where I'm at right now, I molded her hair down like you would do a normal pixie cut, a relaxed pixie cut, should I say. So I molded her hair down just like normal. And then when we got done, I didn't blow dry her hair out. I left it natural, which it still worked out anyway. And also this is kind of a review of the Babyliss half-inch flat iron. So I recently got those picked up, and I gotta say I love them. I love that they have such a long plate. Like for a half-inch flat iron, it's really, you don't usually see half-inch flat irons that have long plates. Usually they have pretty short plates, so you can curl so much more hair at one time. It's just like so amazing. I love that the plates, just like any of the other Babyliss flat irons, they kind of have those I don't know what the word is for them, but you can push them down. They have like a little bit of give to them when you push them down or close the flat iron, which I like as well. So what I did with this process, I'm kind of doing a silk press, if you will. So I'm just using the titanium flat irons, and I'm doing one pass, and with that one pass, I'm silking her hair, and then I'm going back again and curling it. And I'm going to be using that Babyliss half-inch flat iron throughout the sides of her hair, and then I'll start using something else towards the top. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I need it. I need it. Subscribe to the channel, baby. Like I said, as I'm getting to the longer parts of right here, I start using another iron, which is my FHI 1 and I think a 1/4 inch flat iron. So I was silking it and then curling it with the FHI, and I love the shine that the FHI gives. But I went back to Babyliss for a little bit, so I think I'm going to be using the Babyliss to silk it, and then I'm going to go back and curl it with the FHI because I really liked the shine that the curls get with ceramic plate, whereas a titanium plate will give you some shine, but ain't nothing like the ceramic plate. The ceramic plate gives you the real shine. And I'm kind of giving her, I was trying to do something like that banana peel method, which I've seen a lot of people do. But yeah, that's where I was going for with this style.